I came to China to purchase a LED from LEDFUL, LED monitor. The display, as you can see here, the display is very bright and it's very awesome. The color is very original.
And I am very proud to be back again in LEDFUL. This is a huge company that I'm very proud to be partnering with. We did a huge project for the government. We partnered with LEDFUL. We did a great cooperation, and right now I'm back.
I would like to show you today our demo room for LED screens. All these screens are from LEDFUL. I would like to thank our precious partner LEDFUL and Mr. Tim